Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to create a flower by using turtle module in Python. Now let's start. So type here as ideally Python 3.11 version, and I have already uploaded a video how to install Python 3.11 version, and click on open. In last video we have already created a illusion by using turtle, so this is the code of that. And now let's start. So click on file and new file. So this is a new file, and click on save as. So now I want to save it as turtle2, and click on save. Now import turtle as t. If you didn't see that video, first go and see that video, then you can understand this video very easily. From iter tools, import cycle. Cycle is a function. In the name cycle we can easily know that cycle is a repeating one. Okay, and now let's create a variable colors equal to cycle brackets, as same as in the last video how we written the code, same here also, just some little bit changes. Okay, so this is the list data type here we are going to use, and I want to give some list of colors like red, green, blue, purple, pink, and so on. Now let's create a function called flower. So here I am taking parameters radi and semicolon. So t dot pen color should be next to the colors. Next is a function which will take the items which we mentioned in the colors variable one by one, and also I want the angle parameter. Now let's create a circle. So t dot circle and give the radi. So in this function we have to mention the radius value. So here I am going to give the radi. Now let's call the function, because without stopping by drawing only one circle, we have to call the function here. So mention the arguments radi, comma angle, and t dot left angle. This is left is a function which every time it will change by an angle 45 degrees or something like 30 degrees. So when we are calling the function, we will give the angle as 30 or 45, then it will change, or it will change the angle in anti-clockwise direction every time by 30 degrees or 45 degrees. So t dot bg color, background color should be black color. T dot pen size 3. So this is the thickness of the pen, so here I'm giving 3. And t dot speed slow. Now let's call our function flower, and we have to give the arguments radius and angle. Here I want to give the radius as 40 and angle should be 45. Every time it will rotate 45 degrees. And before click on run, so first press Ctrl S in your keyboard and go and click on run module. Now let's see how it runs. Okay, the angle we have given was very big. We have to reduce that. Oh, something error came. So here bad color string orange. Okay, we have given wrong color here. I mean spelling was wrong. So type here E, and I want to change the pen size to 1, and also I want to reduce the angle to 30. Now save it and go and click on run module. Now let's see how it runs. I want to draw the circles some more fastly. So for that, in speed, I want to change that as fast. And save it and go and click on run module. Now let's see. Yes, it is drawing fastly, and I want to reduce the angle to 10 degrees. It will be more efficient to see if we reduce the angle. So go and click on run module. Don't forget to save it. Okay, we can see here. So it is drawing very nearly. I mean, it is only rotating by 10 degrees. So this is how we can create a flower by using turtle. In the next video, we are going to create some more projects. Until then, bye bye. Please subscribe to our channel and like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.